If you are in the Express Entry pool or are thinking of immigrating to Canada through Express Entry, then listen up. The proof of funds requirement for Express Entry is increasing. The increase will be effective come May 28, 2024. So if you are in the pool, you have until May 27 to update your profile with the increased proof of funds for your family size. So here is the old proof of funds requirement, and this is the new amounts that are now required. Proof of funds for Express Entry are generally increased in line with the LICO or the low income cutoff rates that are set by Statistics Canada every year, and these increase annually. So if you are a CEC candidate and are currently working in Canada with a valid job offer, or are submitting your EAPR before May 28, then you don't need to worry about proof of funds. But if you are a federal skilled worker candidate, for example, be warned. If you don't make these updates to your profile, you will be kicked out of the Express Entry system.